Welcome to the Solution Explorer. Just by coming here, you're taking the first steps to address a problem or dispute. Okay, we'd like to tell you about the Solution Explorer and how it works. First, you'll explore. Then, you'll decide. And after that, you'll be ready to take action. Let's start with the exploration. This is the part where you explore your problem. We're going to ask you some questions that help us, help you, diagnose your problem. They'll look a little bit like this. Each time you see one of these questions, you'll just have to pick the answer that best fits with your situation. Once your problem is being diagnosed, we can start to deliver information that's meant to help you manage or even resolve it. We've gone out and talked to experts from these different areas to get the best information for you. We hope it helps. We'll also show you some tips and tools that you can use to try and find your own resolution. When your exploration is finished, we'll give you something called a summary report. Your summary report is like a map or a guidebook that you built during your exploration. Once you have your summary report, you'll be ready to decide. This is where we'll ask you to decide on the steps you're willing to take to try and resolve your problem. Once you've made your decision, you'll be ready to take action. Taking action might be a little bit of work, we get it. But if you take these steps, you might be able to get a very quick resolution without having to wait any longer or move farther into the Civil Resolution Tribunal process. For example, we might give you a letter template that you can send to the other people involved in the dispute, inviting them to work out an agreement with you. We try to keep the actions nice and simple. Usually we just provide tools to help people communicate before the problem gets bigger than it has to be. If it works, that's great. You might make the problem go away. If it doesn't work, at least you'll have done your best to get a resolution. If you want, you could take your dispute into the Civil Resolution Tribunal process. If you decide to open a case with the tribunal, we'll make sure you have the information you need to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you want to have a family member, friend, or someone else you trust help you through this process, that's totally fine. We think it's one of the best ways to get help. Good luck with your problem or dispute. We hope you can work it out. When you're ready, go ahead and start your exploration. You'll be taking your next step toward a resolution.